Hello, great student. This time, your storybook chapter 3, Object Around Us. In this video, we will discuss about chapter 3, page 70 until 81. Let's start now. Object around us. Some objects can be classified in shapes, size, and color. The shapes of objects. Number 1, square. The examples are cake and pillow. Rectangular. The examples are door and whiteboard. Circular. For examples are balloon and clock. Triangular, for example, road sign and clothes hanger. Now, let's do your student books, page 72. Let's start now.
Objects around us. Classify this object according to their shapes. Draw lines to match this object with their shapes. Look at the gift. Rectangular, cheese, triangular, donut, circular, watermelon, triangular, ball, circular, mobile phone, rectangular, frame, square, sandwich, triangular, clock, square.
Now discuss changing the materials. The materials can be shaped by bending, stretching, twisting, and squeezing. Bending. We can bend the material by pushing on its end. The example of bending are bending the ruler, bending the shoelace, and bending the paper. Flexible object. Flexible object is the object that can be bent, and some materials can be bent by heating, for example, glass and metal. Squeezing. We can squeeze the object by pressing. For example, squeezing the orange, squeezing the pepper, and squeezing the spoon. Twisting. We can twist the object by turning them. For example, twisting the clothes, twisting the towel, and twisting the bread. Stretching. We can stretch the object by pulling their end. For example, stretching the springs and stretching the rubber band. Elastic means return to the original shapes after being stretched. For example, like this. And it returns to the original shapes. Now, let's do your student book, page 81. Let's start now.
Changing the shapes of material. Fill in the spaces using the words in the word choice box. Look at the word choice: bending, squeezing, stretching, twisting. A. When we sit on a cushion, it is changed by squeezing. A horseshoe has to be made by bending. Wringing clothes dry is an example of twisting. We make an elastic band longer by stretching it. Look at the picture of a steel chain and a steel cable. Which one has been changed by bending? Steel chain. Which one has been changed by twisting? Steel cable. Describe the change happening in this picture. Look at the first picture. It is squeezing. The second picture, it is twisting.
So, the conclusion is, some objects can be shaped by twisting, squeezing, bending, and stretching. Let's help Indonesia and the world fight the coronavirus by stay at home, stay safe, and don't forget, always wash your hands and wear your mask. See you.